What's up, homies? Welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you have a request for a tutorial, the link for that is in the description below. That's to the Discord and up on the screen. Today we're going to learn how to play I Don't Smoke by Human Era. So grab your ukuleles and let's go smoke. Okay guys, two chords for this song. I hear D flat minor. Cover the, we're going to bar this 4th fret here. Cover the top string on the 6th fret. Oh my gosh, it squeaks so bad. A flat minor, we're going to cover the bottom string, 2nd fret, the 3rd string, 3rd fret, top string, 4th fret, and then the 2nd string on the 4th fret as well. Okay homies, let's go over the structure for this one. So we're going to start with an intro. We got verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, and then an instrumental. Is that really how it ends, on an instrumental? I hope I didn't get distracted because the kids are here, so I don't know. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. Okay? Let's play that all together so you guys can make it make sense. It's the same 2 chords the entire song, so it's going to be pretty easy as long as you can get your fingers to do this. Okay? Intro. Thank you guys for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, subscribe. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you know somebody who wants to learn how to play the song, go ahead and share it with them. And if you have a request for a tutorial, the link to the Discord is in the description below. I'll see you guys next week. Okay then.